Be you. Be authentic. There's a quiet pressure in this world to look right, act right, say the right things, to become a version of yourself that fits what everyone else expects. So people perform. They filter their words, hide their flaws, study other people's lives, and slowly become a copy of something they were never meant to be. And the truth is, it drains you. Because deep down, you know it. You feel it. That gap between who you are and who you're pretending to be. Here's the truth most people won't say. People can see right through a fake version of you. You can dress it up, polish it, make it look perfect, but it's still not real. And fake never connects. It feels forced, empty, untouchable. So you keep performing, thinking perfection will earn acceptance, but it won't. Because people don't connect to perfect, they connect to real. Real is messy. Real has scars. Real has a past it doesn't try to hide. Real says, I've been through it. I've messed up. I'm still figuring it out. That's what connects. Stop trying to be a polished version of someone else. You weren't created to blend in. You weren't created to impress people. You were created to be you, flawed, scarred, imperfect, and real. And let's be honest, you're not perfect, but neither is anyone else. Not the people you compare yourself to, not the ones you think have it all together, not the ones you're trying to become. Everyone is carrying something. Everyone is hiding something. Everyone has cracks. So why are you trying so hard to hide yours? Here's the part most people need to hear. If someone doesn't accept the real you, who cares? Don't spend 1 minute trying to earn approval from people who only want a version of you that isn't real. Because the right people, they won't need the performance. They'll connect to the truth. Your flaws don't disqualify you. They expose you. They make you human. They make you relatable. They make you real. The strongest thing you can do is stop pretending. Show up as you are, not perfect, not polished, not edited, just real. Because that version of you is the only one worth knowing. And in a world full of copies, the most powerful thing you can be is authentic. Restored life after. God didn't create a mistake. He didn't create a copy. He created you on purpose, with purpose. So stop chasing an image. Stop trying to earn acceptance by becoming something you're not. Bring the real you to God, the imperfect you, the flawed you, the one you try to hide. Because restoration doesn't begin with perfection, it begins with truth. And the moment you stop pretending is the moment you finally start living. This is your restored life after.